is Cindy A. Lewis, and we've been working on a junk journal together on crafting therapy for my friend, and it is finished. I am going to go ahead and do a flip through in this video, but I'm going to send her extra stuff to put in and make it her own. As you can see, we did this crisscross stitch on the back and hung the charm and tassel that we made. Also, it is pretty thick, so I'm gonna have to work on that to package it up, but I'm gonna show you right now. When I open it up, it just bounces open. So this is a pocket here, and put some ephemera here and put a little lace. I added some pockets, this little tuck spot with a side tuck there. Put a little remember there on her pages. These are very thick pages, and this is mainly what she wanted. So I will tell you, it is a little challenging when sewing together, and it is thick. So anyway, this is another pocket. It's a double pocket actually, and it is made from an old book page, vintage book page. Here's an envelope that was put in there. Here's another pocket that we made recently. Just stuck a little tag in there. Here's the other side of the envelope. I put a little ephemera in there. Added this right here just to a new look for that page. Added a little pocket card there. There's the doily. So added this little bookmark with a charm. That's really just some ribbon. And then here is an L pocket that I like to make, and it has a place for a tag here and additional tags and ephemera there. And then this is one of those 4/4 quadruple fold pockets that I like, and it has all the pockets and some ephemera in there and tags. Some more pages. Here is just some embellishments and another lace with a charm on it. This is one of the V-fold pockets I like to make, and some ephemera and tags there. And then just some more papers. And then we're going to another signature. Here's another top pocket here with a charm and a tag. And then here's another one of those quadruple fold of 4 pockets. Really cool looking. And some embellishments there. And another pocket. This is a side pocket here. Opens up that way. And then in the back, I have included a junk journal ephemera folder that I made. And so I'm just going to include that with her. And there it is. And it is very full, and I hope that she enjoys it. Have noticed that these pages are hard to hold tight. So hopefully that will work okay for her. But I think it turned out really beautiful and just looks exactly like a junk journal. So anyway, thanks so much for going on this journey with me, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. Have a great night. Thank you for watching.